Innovation. Technology. RECOM. We power your products.
RECOM's new compact 1200-watt AC power supply unit with fanless baseplate cooling delivers up to 1,000 watts continuous and 1,200 watts boost power. The unique thermal management concept of the RACM1200-V permits cooling under all normal operating conditions, but enables the smart system cooling fans during heavy load and excessive temperature conditions. This gives you the best of both worlds: conduction-cooled operation and smart fan cooling at high ambient temperatures and peak loads. An integrated microcontroller monitors the input and controls the output voltage and alert signals for high operational reliability, making it fault-tolerant and maintenance-free. Modified firmware versions are available for customer-defined performance curves, which can be PM bus configurable. The RACM1200-V, the new cool. RECOM, we power your products.